I am Elma Olatunji. Let me quickly chip in this. Over 14 ways of making money from Facebook. From making money from Facebook. How do I make money from Facebook? Facebook is one of the most ubiquitous app now. It's one of the most ubiquitous app now, and it's one of the biggest country. If it were to be country, a lot of people are on Facebook. Are going on Facebook every day, and a lot of people are doing stuff on Facebook now and then. So a lot of people are doing stuff on Facebook now and then. So in a nutshell, wherever people are, that is the place where you can make money. That is the place where money is. So there is money on Facebook because there are a lot of people on Facebook. There are a lot of people going on Facebook doing so many stuff on Facebook. So you might want to consider that. So over 40 ways of making money from Facebook. So how do I make money from Facebook? How do I make money from Facebook? One of the ways to make money on Facebook, number one, is to add what we call affiliate marketing to Facebook. So add affiliate marketing to Facebook. And what is affiliate marketing? Mr. A wants to sell a product for $50. Mr. B wants to sell a product for $50 to people he knows. And Mr. B got a link from Mr. A. So Mr. A is going to pay Mr. B a commission for for selling his products for him, but it's going to be through link. It's going to be through maybe it's going to be through website, through link, through blog and stuff. So you can make money through affiliate marketing on Facebook when you begin to promote people's events. When you begin to promote people's goods and services through link and through website. So now Mr. A now can pay you a commission. So you can make money through affiliate marketing on Facebook. That is number one. Number two, you can also make money from Facebook. From Facebook video calls. You can make money from Facebook video calls. There are some trainings you can do on Facebook and you will charge for it. There are some trainings you can do on Facebook and you will charge for it. So you do trainings, you do meetings on Facebook, and you begin to throw people your video. And so through that you can make money from Facebook. So that takes me to number three, which is create a Facebook group. When you create Facebook group, or maybe you have created a group on Facebook that you have grown over a long period of time, where you have been telling people a particular thing over and over, time like that, and you have grown a large number of followers. You can just do a video calls and throw it to them one day, throw it to them then, and from there you can make money from it. You might also consider Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace. So it's a group. Let's just say a group that are open and push, where people can come and buy and sell. So it's a place where is a place that is open, where people can come and buy and sell. So we call it Facebook Marketplace. You can also consider. You might also want to consider going to Facebook adverts. You can also go into Facebook adverts. You can advertise for companies, for corporate organization, for private organization, where you charge them and they pay you your money. And you can make some amount of money from that. You might also consider Facebook. Facebook ad consultant. Facebook advert and advert consultant. You can begin to advertise for some people, and you can become a consultant to some people. When you become consultant to some people, you begin to advertise for them, you begin to charge them, and they pay you your money. But that is going to be when you become a marketing expert. When you become marketing expert on Facebook, you begin to it is then you can now become consultant. You begin to advertise for people and they begin to pay you, and you can make some amount of money from that. You might also consider Facebook referrals. Another way to make money on Facebook is through is by becoming what we call Facebook referrals. Facebook referral is just like affiliate marketing. Just like affiliate marketing, when you begin to when you begin to advertise for some people, when you begin to promote people's goods and services, promote people's products, and they begin to pay you a commission, a commission, a commission. That is Facebook referrals. And you might also want to consider going to facebook.com /Facebook media /solution /monetization. You can monetize your video, you can monetize your content, and you begin to make money out of it. You begin to make money from it. You might also consider setting up Facebook fan page, for artists, for public speakers, for creating people, for pastors, and you begin to create a fan page for them, and through that you can make money from the Facebook. You can make money from Facebook. You might also want to consider going into what we call Facebook influencer marketing. Facebook influencer marketing. Facebook influencer marketing. When you have created a group that you have grown a large number of followers, and a large number of followers, so people now started coming to you because you have grown large number. You have a large number of followers. People now coming to you to market for them because of the large number of followers. So people now coming to you to market for them. So you might want to consider that Facebook influencer marketing. You can go into that. And another way to make money on Facebook is by what we call selling services on Facebook. You can sell your services on Facebook. Maybe you know how to draw, you know how to design websites, you know how to create a blog, you are into catering, you are into baking, and and so on, and so on and so forth like that. You are into many things like that. You can sell your services on Facebook, and you'll be making your money from that. You'll be making your money from it. You'll be making some huge amount of money from selling your services on Facebook. So you might also want to consider bringing your e-commerce to Facebook. When you bring your e-commerce to Facebook, maybe you have created e-commerce website, or you have e-commerce website. You can bring it to Facebook and you begin to advertise. Your products, and you can make money from that. You might also want to consider Facebook Radical app. So Facebook Radical app is a good app where you can make money from. Where you can make money from on Facebook. You might also want to consider Facebook Garage Sales app. Facebook Garage Sales app is also a fantastic app where you can make money from on Facebook. And finally, you might also consider Facebook event application. Facebook event application helps to promote people's events. When you begin to promote people's events, from there you begin to charge them and they begin to pay you your money. So you begin to promote people's events. Those are fantastic application, fantastic app where you can make money from on Facebook. On Facebook, there are a lot of people on Facebook. A lot of people are going on Facebook, doing one thing. Doing a lot of stuff on Facebook. And one of the biggest places where people are finding today is on Facebook. You know that the world is going digitally. You might want to consider that. You might also, you should bear that in mind that the world is going digitally. You too should go digitally, so you can make money on Facebook. There are a lot of ways you can make money on Facebook. And if you are yet to create your own Facebook account, you might want to give it a trial and do all this stuff that I mentioned. Try it over and over and over, and before you know, you've already made your money out of them. You've already made money from them. You've already made money from Facebook. A lot of people are on Facebook, to be candid. A lot of people every day. People are creating a Facebook account every day, so you can make money from Facebook. So on this note, I'll be tidying up my things, and I say thank you for watching. Please and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Packaging 1 for Packaging 14. Please go there, click on the subscribe button, click on notification bell right beside the subscribe button in case I drop any video. In case I drop any video, so you'll be the first to be notified. So till I come your way next, I'm Emma Olatunji, and I say remain financially intelligent. Thank you.